TCS Sustainathon Pune 2021 is a great initiative coming from TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. Getting the young generation involved, creating an awakening among them. Pune International Center, partnering with them, or Pune Knowledge Cluster, IEEE, I think the strategic partners, terrific. And for actions, we have Pune Municipal Corporation, then APCCI, the other Poonawalla Clean City Initiative. Yeah.
Well, it all started off with my interactions with Dr. Vijay Kelkar, who, as you know, is the Vice Chairman of the Pune International Center. And Dr. Kelkar told me about the efforts that are on through initiative in PIC related to making Pune a carbon neutral city by 2030.
सध्याचा जो आमचा फोकस आहे तो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण, घनकचरा व्यवस्थापन ओव्हरऑल, की ज्याच्यामध्ये कचरा झाडणकाम करणं, कचऱ्याचं कलेक्शन करणं, त्याचं योग्य प्रकारे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करणं आणि त्यावर प्रक्रिया करणं हा आहे. तो मुंबईपेक्षाही मोठा, म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रातील सगळ्यात मोठी महानगरपालिका आता पुणे झालेली आहे. 516 स्क्वेअर किलोमीटरचा एरिया झालेला आहे आणि जवळजवळ 50 लाखापर्यंत लोकसंख्या झालेली आहे.
As far as the city goes, it benefits immensely because this is a direct user fee based waste collection system. Finally, of course, this has provided dignity, security, and upgraded incomes for one of the most marginalized sections of our society.
When I heard about this TCS Sustainathon, I'm excited. Pune is my city. I'd been here for last 50 years in this city only. And I love this city. I always find that this city should grow and this city should be one of the best cities of the world. Management is a real pain, you can say, as a city. And when I heard about this Sustainathon, I'm really excited about the idea. And when I found that TCS, corporate like TCS has coming in and providing platform for making ideas, basically.
Steering committee, technical committee has used these convening powers to get the best of the minds. So I think that's a great initiative. That Pune has done it before.
I don't find any sustainable solution on the process of the garbage and get rid of the garbage rather. So if any one idea, if at all, comes from this Sustainathon, it will be a great pleasure for me to hear that and to see that it gets implemented.
Right. And I'm looking at, the organizations like TCS running an initiative called as Sustainathon, again focused more on the youth, the students, creating this kind of a motivation about waste management and newer ideas that are likely to come on. So how do you look at this kind of initiatives?
It's a very good initiative, I would say. And in fact, if youth are charged with these type of thoughts and concepts, I think they will bring it into practice. It should become a part of our life. I have always been telling people that it should be a part of our life. Lifestyle, as we call it, it should become our lifestyle. So we have to think over it, we have to study so many things and then bring it into practice, that how in my own life I can do that. And again, as a citizen, how I can do that where I'm staying, and how I can help the whole nation and the world to go to a right direction. So I think this is a good initiative by TCS.
So Kunalji, great to have you here, and we are eager to hear your views on this event as the way that you see it, starting, launching, and executing. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm really excited about TCS Sustainathon event. Solid waste management is a need of the hour and burning issue of any municipal corporation, and Pune being largest municipal corporation by its geographical area in Maharashtra and one of the largest corporation in India, definitely has this issue at its forefront. TCS Sustainathon comes at a very right moment because recently there have been addition of 23 new villages. And most importantly, Pune is known for its education and IT. Pune is education and IT hub. So there is a lot of young generation, young minds who are willing to participate in this kind of urban challenges, urban development challenges. So TCS is spearheading all this mission. I wish best of luck to all the participants, and I really thank all the strategic and challenge partners in this event. I'm really looking forward to be a participant in this all mission.
नमस्कार. खरं तर सर्वप्रथम मी टाटा कन्सल्टन्सी सर्व्हिसेसला मनापासून धन्यवाद देईल. एक चांगला उपक्रम आपण हातामध्ये घेतलाय, एका चांगल्या विषयामध्ये इनिशिएटिव्ह आपण घेतलाय. खरं तर आज देशामधल्या कुठलंही मोठं शहर म्हटलं तर सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पहिला प्रश्न असतो तिथलं घनकचरा व्यवस्थापन. सस्टेनेथॉनच्या माध्यमातून एक जनजागृती, युवकांना, तरुणांना याच्यामध्ये सहभागी करून घेणं आणि या महत्त्वपूर्ण विषयामध्ये त्यांचं योगदान याच्यामध्ये कसं असावं याच्या संदर्भात मला असं वाटतं हे खूप मोठी मुवमेंट होईल. मला असं वाटतं की चळवळ म्हणून पुढे येईल हा विषय सगळा, अशी मला खात्री वाटते. खरं तर पुणे शहर हे आता राज्यातली सगळ्यात मोठं क्षेत्र असलेलं, भौगोलिकदृष्ट्या क्षेत्र मोठं असलेली एक नंबरची महापालिका आता झाली. जवळपास 518 स्क्वेअर किलोमीटर इतकी मोठी हद्द आता पुणे महापालिकेची झाली. पण जेव्हा समाजामध्ये TCS सारखे मंडळी आपण याच्यामध्ये एक समाजाप्रती असलेलं आपलं कर्तव्य या भावनेतून आपण याच्यामध्ये आता सहभागी होत आहे आणि आम्हाला या सगळ्या व्यवस्थेला जो हातभार आता आपण लावताय, मला असं वाटतं मी आपल्या प्रती निश्चित या ठिकाणी कृतज्ञता भाव व्यक्त करतो. आणि पुढे जाऊन अजून याच्यामध्ये अधिकचं काम आपल्याला कसं करता येईल यासाठी महापालिका म्हणून निश्चित मी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आश्वस्त करेन की जे आपण हातामध्ये घ्याल महापालिकेला आपल्याला सहकार्याची म्हणा आम्ही निश्चित आपल्या सोबत आहोत. मी आपल्याला या सगळ्या उपक्रमाबद्दल मनापासून शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो आणि पुढे जाऊन खूप काही काम आपण एकत्र करूया हे या निमित्तानं आपल्याला सांगतो. मनापासून आपल्या सगळ्यांना धन्यवाद.
We all come together, galvanize ourselves into action. Pune can become an exemplar city for the rest of the country. TCS to me stands for Total Commitment to Society, TCS. And this is one brilliant example